Here's a question for you. Do you realize how much your daily life is influenced by artificial intelligence? It's incredible when you stop and notice. Let's take a look at a day in the life of, well, you with and without AI. Trust me, you'll never see your routines the same way again. First up, cooking. Imagine scrambling to find recipes and struggling to make something edible from the random contents of your fridge. It's chaotic, right? Enter AI recipe generators. They analyze your ingredients and create gourmet-level meal ideas with a few taps on your phone. No more wasted food or bland dinners. Next, shopping. How did we ever survive without AI-powered recommendations? Gone are the days of endlessly scrolling through pages to find what we need. Now, AI knows your taste in clothes, favorite snacks, even your preferred toothpaste, and serves them up like a personal shopper. Creepy? Maybe a little, but hey, it gets the job done. Now let's talk about your daily commute. Without AI, it's endless traffic jams, missed routes, and getting late for work. But with AI-powered navigation apps, smooth sailing. These apps analyze real-time traffic data to guide you on the fastest possible route. Plus, some even predict peak traffic times so you know exactly when to leave. But we're not done yet. This friendly AI tech touches so many corners of your day. From music streaming apps playing just the right vibe based on your mood, to health monitoring wearables that analyze your vitals, AI truly is everywhere. It's like an invisible assistant, tirelessly working to make life easier and more fun. All right, time to pull back the curtain. What's your favorite AI innovation? Drop it in the comments and let us know. And hey, don't forget to share this video with friends, subscribe to our channel, and keep exploring how AI continues to shape our world. Stay tuned for more cool discoveries. See you next time.